Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. It's not a picking video today, it's a parcel opening. Before we get started though, but if you're interested in lock sport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, and you can find me on Discord. It's Extraordinary League of Pickers, and Lock Picking and Lock Sport at UKLP on Facebook. And if you like what's in my channel and you want to see some more, please hit the subscribe button and that bell icon, as I make 2-3 videos per week for picking locks, to giveaways, to tutorials, all types of lock stuff really. So we got, it's a heavy thing this, we've got a parcel from very cool guy, Mr. Paul Springett from Australia. He's been sending quite a few parcels out to people lately, and he sent me an email and said he'd like to send me one, and I said thank you very much, my friend, please do. Also, Billy Faffler, your parcel came today, mate. We'll do a separate video on that, my friend, because the way I see it is you pay all this money to send parcels, and it's not cheap, and you get your separate videos for the unboxing. So let's see what we've got in here. This is quite a big box. We've got to see if we can get the room. I have no idea. Obviously there will be probably locks in this, but in general I have no idea. I've seen what he sends other people. Absolutely very nice chap. There we go. Oh, we've got a letter, so let me just pull this out first. Remove what's on here. I hope you find the contents of some use. The challenge locks are not extreme. All of the cylinders are for you to do how you see fit. Regards, Paul. Go Stoke. Go Stoke. Rightio. Thank you very much, my friend. Do you know what, mate? People, some challenge locks can be really difficult. And I prefer them fun, because nothing wrong with the challenging ones, but because I'll find them fun. See what we've got. Oh wow, Manchester United. Look at that. That's why he's going out to Stoke, is it? Fantastic, mate. What have we got? I saw Whitco Euro cylinder. Awesome. What have we got? I'm sorry, I do apologise. We're out of camera there. We've got another Euro cylinder. No name on it, but very heavy, which means usually quite hefty. No name again. Some nice bitting on that one. Look at that. That's got some nice bitting. Oh, thank you very much, my friend. This is some really cool stuff. Oh wow, an oval. Oh, gotta get this out. Gotta get that out. Even though it's not, but that's the same shape as a lockwood key. Oh, got a bit of problem with unlocking there, have we? We'll soon sort that out. Actually, fantastic, Paul, my friend. Oh, a kick cylinder. Cool. Dory. Love kick cylinders. I think one of my most favourite locks to pick. We got another one here. I wonder if they're just the keys are separate. Yeah, that one doesn't work on there, so let's... That doesn't work on that one. Well, I think we'll get into them and find out what's going on. Another kick cylinder. Very cool. Thank you very much. Awesome, Paul, my friend. Let me just let me see what else is. Let me just pull it all out and then move the box and make. It's just in the bottom. Just sponge sorted. Don't want to lose anything. Let's see what else we've got. Let's bring this camera up a bit more. We have a Lockwood. It's called Cranked number 14. Very cool. Nice keyway there. Very nice bitting. Awesome, my friend. Oh, I like that key. I do like that key. That's nice, that. Wow. Could have bitted on that. Ah, we got a piece cut out at the end of this. It's an aluminium key as well. Number 13. There's something tricky going on with this one. Works really, really nice and smooth. Let's see what we've got in here. We have a silky. Oh, it's a quick set. Which doesn't work. Well, doesn't work. The key doesn't work, but there's could be a good reason for that. I'll have to have a look. And we've got some boxes here. Let's see what we've got in here. Don't want to ruin the whatever's in the boxes. Let's cut them open gently. Don't get too excited about opening things. Oh, well, it says Lockwood. I said, oh boy. You know what? Never had one new. That is... The front's come off. There's a reason that's come off, but that is cool. And we've got 2 blank keys. It looks like a wafer lock. Oh, sweet. Yeah, wafer. Oh, cool. I'm going to have a really good look at that. Oh, thank you very much, Paul, my friend. That is awesome. Let's see what we've got in this one. Ooh. Take the tape off gently. I don't want to ruin the box. I like to get the boxes. BDS brass padlock locksmith. Oh, what we got? I've got pins and springs. That'll be for the mechanism. We've got 1 touch key. That is very cool. That's like basically build your own lock. That is really cool. That is very, very cool because... Oh, thank you very much, Paul, because it's already pre-done. I can turn this into a challenge lock. A really good challenge lock. That is awesome. I've never seen a brass basically build your own lock. That is fantastic. Oh, wow. Well, thank you very much, Paul, my friend. Absolutely awesome. Like I say, he's a great guy. Locksmith from Australia. He's been sending out a lot of packages. And Paul, I can't remember if you have a channel or not. Do apologise if you have. Please let me know and I'll give it a big up on the next video. But I'm sure you have. I've just been so busy lately. I've lost track and YouTube's been messing around with notifications so badly. I'm not getting notifications. I have to hunt. I've got like over 300 people I subscribe to. And I have to hunt for all the videos so I can get comments on them. Don't want people thinking I'm not watching when I am. Yes, so thank you very much, Paul. Absolute awesome guy. You're a legend, mate. This stuff's so good. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.